Well, hello and welcome to this midday market mood check on Moneycontrol. Now, the BJP is close to making history in Gujarat as it's leading in 150 plus seats. In fact, it has bettered its own expectations. When it comes to Himachal, it was a close race, but now Congress is gaining ground there. Amid all this, markets have snapped a 4-day losing streak, but there's no fireworks on Dalal Street this afternoon. The Nifty is below that 18,600 mark. Looks like, Yatin, it's a sell on rise kind of market because there's no cheer as such coming in.
Probably if you look at the RBI policy yesterday and the sell-off after the RBI policy, today is no less. Obviously, we are holding in the green, but there is no real momentum in the frontline stocks, and probably there is some churn happening there. As far as Sensex is concerned, a mere 44 points gain. Nifty is up only 10 points. Or thereabouts, trading near the weighted average price. If you look at the range also, the Nifty is moving in the 30-point range. So no big momentum there. However, Nifty Bank is doing pretty well, almost 0.7% higher there, nearly 300 points. Midcaps are doing well, 0.3% higher for those indices, and that is the reason why you are looking at the advance decline ratio right now on the NSE, which is almost 2:1, touching that 2:1 mark. 2 for advances and 1 for decline. So the broader market is doing well. As far as sectors are concerned, today the PSU banks are again moving. Media, metal stocks are moving. Losing end, we have pharma, real estate and IT stocks down a bit, and obviously Nandita Pharma is down largely because of the decline in Sun Pharma that we are seeing. Today Sun Pharma informed the stock exchanges that their Halol plant has received an import alert from the USFDA. USFDA is the American watchdog for the pharmaceutical business there, and having an import alert means that you cannot export your products to the US markets. Plus, there has been some exemption. 14 products have been exempt from this import alert. So, we need to watch as to how really the company is resolving their problems in Halol, because this is a trouble child since 2016, and ever since then we haven't seen much of activity as far as the Halol plant is concerned.
Regulatory concerns clearly weighing down on Sun Pharma. When it comes to the mid-cap end of the markets, you said that the mid-caps are kind of outperforming a bit. When it comes to individual movers, Triveni Engineering saw promoters selling 7% stake or thereabouts. We saw a new debut on Dalal Street today, Dharmaj Crop, that listed with a solid 12% premium. What are the other movers? Any 52-week high or low today?
So, obviously the IPO market has been doing well today. Dharmaj crop protection, it is basically into crop protection and a lot of other allied businesses. So that is one IPO need to watch out for. A lot of HNI and QIB interest seen there. As far as the markets are concerned, the momentum boy is really Bank of India. That stock is up 7.5%. A good price and volume actions in the last 2-3 days. Remember, Morgan Stanley has revised the target price on Bank of India at 125 rupees. Central Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, IOB, all of these stocks are up 3 to 5%, new 52-week high. As far as other large cap stocks are concerned, which have hit 52-week highs today and are moving with momentum, L&T, Axis Bank, PFC, Aditya Birla Capital, UBL, RCF, all of these stocks are doing well and have hit the fresh 52-week high.
Right, so these are the movers in today's session. The next big cue to watch out for after the Gujarat poll verdict would be the Fed policy that will be next week or so, December 15th if I'm not mistaken. So we'll be watching out for that as well. But for now, thanks a lot for tuning in. Stay tuned, because coming up after market close will be Bazaar Gupshup, which obviously Yatin Mota will be bringing you. Thanks a lot for tuning in.